What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Crypto's Rich Boy. Guys, I haven't done a video in a while. Decided to come back on and do a video. Got a new laptop and kind of switching out my setup here. And so, you know what? I grabbed the Mountain Dew and I am like, let's go, baby. Let's do this. So guys, today, I kind of had to stop doing the Crazy Frog videos because I was asked to not do them anymore, but I still have been looking at these meme coins. Meme coins are definitely something that I think are going to be the hype of this cycle, and I think the Solana meme coins are going to be the hype as well. One meme coin I'm looking at is Ping. The reason why I am looking at Ping is because when I look at a coin, I look at where it's at, how much market cap it has, and how easily accessible, it is, and then I always check the contract as well. So we have Ping going on at the 32-cent level. So like I said, guys, normally I do Crazy Frog, and today just kind of feeling it out. How if I did kind of like a general video, how it would feel like, how it would be, and it's a little different, right? It's a little different. I'm used to being like crazy, and I might start doing them again. I don't know. I maybe not. We'll see how well this is kind of perceived, and we'll see how well people kind of take this versus my other videos. So definitely did want to try out my new laptop. Got the Samsung Book 4 Ultra. So this thing is a beast. It has like a RTX 4070 in it, and so definitely cannot wait to have the markets pop off and cannot wait to kind of see where things are going. And I think it's coming soon, guys. I really do. I think it's coming soon. And I think we are about to see some very, very bullish action coming in quarter four. So I think quarter three, quarter four are going to be pretty decent. If we look right here, let's see what we got going on. So let me just clear all of that. And so we got let's see, where is, man, I'm still getting used to Windows 11. I'm so used to like Windows 10. This Windows 11 is definitely there we go. So we got January, February, March is quarter one. April, May, June is quarter two. So guys, we are about to be done with quarter two this Sunday, right? This Sunday we're about to be done with quarter two and we're going to start our quarter three. So what does that mean? So if we go to the chart and we go to Bitcoin monthly chart. This is something that I've kind of been following. Here we go, Bitcoin monthly chart. So this is something that I have been following, guys. And so right here, oh, this only goes to 2021. We definitely need that 2024 one. And I know I've seen it. Um, let's see. Is it this one? May 2020. No, there is one that it has all the way up. Is it this one? 20. Yes, this is it. This is it. Kind of. It doesn't have April, May, June, but that's okay. We'll kind of get the gist of this and we'll kind of see where we are going with this. So, guys, all the way from the beginning of time, so it wasn't tracked until about 2013, we have the markets. So, normally we have January through December. So, you have January, half the time is a good month, half the time it is not a good month. but that is okay. So we have January. We normally have, let's see, we had good months in 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. They were bearish months. But as you see, once they were bearish months, it quickly turned around, right? So it quickly turned around. So we have 2015, we have green in February, um, 16 green in February, and then we have some very, very bullish action right there. So we do have 2024. So we had really, really good months, right? And I think these are going to be red. April, May, June, I believe, are red. I know February. Wow, look at February. This is why I really, really think that coming up, the end of this cycle and the beginning of next, or the end of this year, beginning of next year, I think we are definitely going to see some very, very bullish price action. Let me see something. I'm trying to see if one, this is even broadcasting on my YouTube, and two, let me see. Let me just switch account. Let me go to my other account, my alt account. Hey, what is up, Abe? How is it going? Bird Dog on Soul, GME, Dunk. Yes, I definitely see that we are having a lot of these soul memes, right? A lot of these Solana memes are kicking off, guys. Solana to me, Solana is kind of like the BNB of 2020, 2021. So you have Solana like the BNB of 2020, 2021, and then you have um the the meme coins kind of like taking the place of these NFTs. So, um, so that is, yeah, those are some pretty good ones. I was in, GME is a good one. Donk, Cheeks, Bird Dog. So yeah, I got some very, very sweet picks. So if which one? If you had to pick one, BNB will roar again. I do think BNB will roar again, but I think Solana is gonna be kind of like the main. I think BNB will have its spotlight, but I do think, I mean, because you got to think, like Ethereum kind of had the spotlight, in my opinion. It's always gonna be the top, the like the OG, right? It's always gonna be the OG. But in my opinion, I believe that, and I feel, not financial advice, but I feel like BNB was that cheaper, faster option in 2020, 2021. Now, coming in 2024, 2025, we have Solana as that cheaper, faster option, right? Foxdex, yes. So I'm still in some BNB projects, right? I'm still in, you know, I still have some really, really good BNB projects. I have Gamer, I have TCG 2.0. There are some other BNB projects that I've kind of kept on my radar, and I definitely think BNB will definitely have its time to shine. I mean, I think it passed all-time high, right? Let's go see. Where was BNB? Let's see, BNB. So yeah, so BNB was, let's see, I heard it passed like 700 bucks, right? So yeah, it got like 720, 722. So, definitely number four. So, Abe, you're absolutely correct. I think BNB will still continue to be like the top dog, one of the top contenders. It's kind of like first, second, third place, right? So you have Ethereum, obviously being Bitcoin is like a sector of its own, and then you have like Ethereum, always going to be like the OG. You have BNB kind of like the first contender, and now you kind of have like Solana as the second contender. And I think Solana is really, really going to try to push to that second spot, right? And push BNB to that third spot. And I think that's going to happen. Falcon X will be the next hot Solana Dex. Falc. Let's see. Is that like a crypto? Is FALX? Is that what you're talking about? Oh, let's go take a look at it. I'm always up to looking at projects. So guys, Falcon X, if you're in the chat, I will take a look at your projects right now. As long as I have my Mountain Dew, I will be chilling like a villain. So let's go. So we got Falcon X guys coming in at 0.0009127. It is at a $9.13 million market cap, 10 billion self-reported circulating supply and total supply. And let's go check out the website. Let's go see. I'm kind of Hawk 2 on Soul. Let's go. What's up, XRP88? What is going on? I know I did hear about that, like the teacher that kind of made that TikTok definitely went viral. Right now I did see it. I just didn't have any capital kind of to deploy on new projects. I've been really focusing. I really feel like we're coming close, guys. We're coming close. But let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. Falc X Dex, the next generation Dex built on the high performance Solana blockchain. At the heart of Falc Dex ecosystem lies the native FalcX token, a crucial component that fuels the platform. With a fixed total supply of 10 billion FalX tokens, the FalX token aims to deliver sustainable value and growth for its holders. So let's see. So it looks like we got the tokenomics chart right here. We have airdrop zero point 0.7 billion, pre-sale 3 billion, liquidity 2.85 billion, marketing 1.2 billion, staking rewards 1.4 billion, team 0.85 billion. Let's go. Little Bob Dylan, pull back to 5 mil right now. Already 8 exchanges announcements. Wow. So yeah, so let's take a look at that. So um let's take a look at that. Let's see. HAWK. Like I said, right now, Hawk. I believe is this the right one? I believe this is the right one. So yeah, this looks like the right one. So guys, Hakta. So this yeah, this is a funny meme that kind of has taken by storm over the last couple days. I've heard about this. Again, no capital to kind of deploy. But if let's see, 5.27 million market cap, it is 914.39 million. The total supply at 932.94 for the max supply. It is on the Solana network. That's kind of cool how literally it's the last our pump. That is pretty legit. So Hakta. So that's pretty funny. If you're scrolling down social media lately, you'll probably encounter the phrase Hakta. So um and wonder what it's all about. The viral phrase comes from the now infamous Hakta girl, a woman candid street interview that has taken the internet by storm. So guys, go and check that one out too. That is there she is right there. That is absolutely crazy. Tokenomics, taxes zero, burnt LP, contract renounced. Let's go, guys. I'm telling you, these are going to take these meme coins on Solana, guys. I really do think are gonna take by storm. I bought $500 of Hakta at 700K market cap and turned it into 50. What? That is absolutely crazy. That is crazy. I have my winner set in motion. Seas Planet Phantom wallet loaded. Yes. So guys, that is where I see things right now. It's really about finding those coins that you really projects that you really think are going to do well, right? So, and kind of sticking to them. Doug the Duck. Let's go. Let's see. Um, like I said, guys, I normally used to do like focused on one, and then I kind of got asked to. It was Crazy Frog, and the owners kind of like was like, "Hey, copyright," and I was like, "Ah, sorry, okay." So I kind of didn't do it for a while, but I got a new laptop. I got the Samsung Ultra or Samsung Book for Ultra. And so just got to test and see what this thing can do, right? I mean, already the camera quality is pretty good. I think the sound quality is pretty good. And I think just make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to do this more often. For a while, I was really focused on doing like perpetuals and I made a lot of money, kind of cashed out, bought this laptop, bought a couple other things, and then like so I put my initial investment back. I took out some for some toys, and then I had some to play with. And I kind of lost the some to play with, and I was like, all right, you know what? I have my bags filled. I played for a little bit. Let me take a little bit of a breather because sometimes it's not good to do perpetuals too much, especially when you're doing 50 to 100x like I do. But I had some good wins. I really did. I had some good wins and then took some profits. Now I know why they say take some profits, and then I had some losses. But duck the duck, let's see. 1.17 million market cap. We got a volume of 876,000, and we have 100,000 million. Reminds me of like Austin Powers, like 100,000 million. Kind of cool. XPR Proton will be king. So yeah, I'll check that one out here in a second. Another Solana play. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Right now, I've really been focused on Ping. I have some Ping. If you haven't checked that out, go check that out. TCG2. That one's not on Solana, that one's on BNB. And Gamer, that one's on BNB, GMR. And then what other ones do I have? I covered Andy on Sol. I don't have enough to get that one yet. I covered GME on Solana. I had some, I wrote it up, kind of sold, waiting for it to come back down. And so now I'm just kind of trying to get some profits, right? Some profits. That's what it's all about. So let's see. So we got that one. You said which one? XPR Proton. XPR. Let's see. Um, is it this one? Yeah, it looks like that one. So XPR has been rebranded. So is this the right one? It will be the BIS bucket and SDR digital asset along with XRP and others. Let's go, guys. Now, what is your okay? So let me talk about this for a second, then I want to get back on the other subject. So, XPR network. So it looks like it is $23 million market cap. Well, it's in the top 1,000. That's pretty good. Has 25 billion on there. Ethereum network. Let's go ahead and check out the website real quick. See what we got going on. Blockchain for everyone. Powerful, compliant. XPR network. So it looks like they have a lot of supported networks, real world integrations, and a powerful SDK. So it's a proof of stake, layer one blockchain that leverages cutting edge WebAssembly smart contracts to enable high performance, scalable, and sustainable computation. Developers can leverage XPR network to easily and securely build tokens, NFTs, exchanges, lending markets, and much, much more. Let's go. So guys, I mean, it sounds like you guys are giving me some really good projects to actually look into. I get Crow rewards every week, so I was thinking about maybe saving up a couple $100 and finding another project. So it looks like I have a couple I need to look at, right? So I have dual monitors. So if you guys see me looking this way, it's because I have the chat right there, and I have my main monitor right here. Like I said, I used to have like a custom built computer, but I kind of wanted to scale back a little bit, get some newer technology. It was like 8 years old, so I got this. So pretty sweet. So the most bullish on XDC, microcap, and PLI and WTK. Let's go. They are going to be the first crypto bank. What? Partnerships with Elon Musk and Twitter. More bank partnerships the Ripple founder used to work for Stellar. So here's the thing, guys. I've been here since 2017, right? And I don't know. XRP is just like a lot of people used to love Ripple and XRP, and it's kind of just like it's not moving, right? I mean, what is your guys' thoughts on XRP? Like, do you guys feel like sometimes I'm like, well, let me just throw like 500 bucks at it, maybe get 1,000 tokens just in case, right? I know it's at a big market cap. Let's go take a look at it. So, I mean, I know it's number seven, big market cap, over $26 billion. Um, I will have told multiple, wait, I will have told multiple cold stories. They are flipping it from XRP to XPR. Really? I will have to go and research that because I did not know that. But uh XRP though is one of those that I seen go from like 30 cents up to $3 back in 2017. It really, really piqued my interest when it came down to it. And I really think that it is something that I think a lot of people hold on to because it was one of the first ones on a lot of these exchanges. Oh, I remember everybody, it was kind of like Pepe, right? Everybody wants Pepe on Coinbase. Everybody wanted XRP on Coinbase. And they're flipping it. Yeah. So let's see. So everybody wanted Pepe on Coinbase, and everybody wanted XRP on Coinbase, and then XRP got on Coinbase, and then the whole lawsuit happened, right? So who knows? But how long have you guys been in crypto? That is the question. Are you guys have you guys been in it since 2017, 2021? What got you guys into crypto? Like I said, what got me into crypto was 2017 when XRP like ran, right? And I had a buddy or a coworker, and he was like, "Hey, like just put a couple dollars in and see what happens." And dude, I turned like $5 or I forgot, like 20 bucks and like 100 bucks or something like that. And I was like, "What? This is absolutely crazy." So all right, let's move on. So, guys, I have to talk about this one. If you guys have not seen it, they're building a really, really cool 4K metaverse. So I have to give a shout out to them. TCG.world. They have everything right there on their website. They had to do research about Proton. If you guys, yeah, I can do some research about. Oh, hold on. I got this new mouse, and it has like this button. I keep hitting it, like it's like right. Let's see, like if you see it right there, like a button, like like when your thumb goes right there. There's a button like right here at the bottom, and I keep hitting it. So anyway, I've been in crypto for 2 years now. This is my first cycle. Okay, so let me talk about this real quick. Maybe it'll help. Maybe it'll help you. Maybe it'll help a bunch of people. Here's the thing. So I'm gonna tell you guys something. So crypto has um what they call the 4 year having. I call it having. Some people call it having. I call it having. But anyway, so every 4 years there is a let's see 4 year bit Bitcoin. Whoops, on Bitcoin. I'm still getting used to this keyboard too. Ah. All right. So every 4 years, the computer solves a puzzle. The puzzle gets rewarded. Every 4 years, those rewards get halved. So that's the basic way I can kind of describe it. So we have. Let me show you this. All right. So here is. So if we really, really want to look at it, so we have this. So we have about 3 years bullish, 1 year bearish. So it's really like 1 year bearish, 1 year accumulation, and then kind of like a spike up, a little bit down, and then the parabolic movement. Um, so okay, here's the 4 year one. I was like, okay, I'm looking for the 4 year one. So right now, I've been seeing there is been a lot of um we are like right here, right? So this is I think this is current actually. Yeah, this is current. Let me go ahead and so guys, we are literally right here. So we're about to go up. All right. So, a couple things to keep in mind. Be careful, right? You have your Coinbase, you have your Crypto.com. Those are pretty safe. You buy coins on there. One of the, I wouldn't say negative, but one of the things that you have to realize once it hits Coinbase, once it hits Crypto.com, it's gone through all of the growing it could grow from being hyped, like I'm gonna get on this exchange, I'm gonna get on that exchange. So that is one thing. If you venture out to where you use Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, be careful. Nobody will ever give you more coins than you send them. That is one thing. Nobody will ever give you more coins than you send them. Nobody will ever reach out to you and say, send me coins, or nobody will ever reach out to you. Even I was trying to help the Crazy Frog Project, and I ended up talking to who I thought was an exchange. Long story short, it wasn't an exchange. I got scammed, lost a bunch of money. So what did I learn? That person reached out to me. That scammer reached out to me. Whether you are doing it for personal reasons or for a project, if somebody reaches out to you and says, "Hey, we have this promotion. Connect your wallet. We have an airdrop." Nope, nope, nope. Stay away. Block them. No one will ever airdrop you. No one will ever send you. I've done that too. Hey, send me 250 bucks. I'll send you 500 worth of the um I'll send you 500 bucks. Wait, what? How? So you tell me I can double my money right then and there? Can I send you 500 bucks and get 1,000? So my dumb self, like 4 or 5 years ago, sent them 500 bucks. I'm over here waiting for 2, 3 days. They're like, yeah, I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah, never gave it to me. Never gave it to me. It's crappy. So never gave it to me. I don't trust any exchanges, especially the small, unregulated ones, but they are useful. I got lucky. I was able to go to Mexi. You have to be careful because some of because they have a innovation part, and a lot of those coins they'll allow them to go on there, but they don't verify the contracts. So I normally, so a couple things. Do you guys know how to check a Solana contract? So here we go. So let's say I think it was GME. So GME was a hype couple weeks ago, right? Or a couple like last week, and I got into it, and then my opinion, take what you will. My opinion, they had all these stocks that they want to sell. They need to gain money. They talked to Roaring Kitty. Roaring Kitty was like, "Sure, I'll pump it for a couple days." Roaring Kitty pumped it enough to where they sold all the stocks. They gained the $4 billion. Now they're chilling, and Roaring Kitty is nowhere to be found. So that's just kind of yeah. Um, School of Learning the hard way. Yeah, a lot of people they are advanced. So real quick, I'll go over this, and then if you guys have another coin you guys want me to go over, I will go over that. Like I said, it's kind of weird. I used to like focus on the one coin, and now I kind of have to find things to kind of fill the time. So we will do this. So I got Ping, right? So Ping is one of my I Altcoin Daily talked about it, and I was like, okay, cool. Let's go ahead and see what this is all about. So all you gotta do is if you go down, it'll say, wait, is this UCID? What in the world is that? I don't even know what the heck. Oh, that's the okay. So all you do is copy this. You go to you where is it? Soul Sniffer. So Soul Sniffer is really, really good. Always crypto bubbles are pretty cool too, to be honest. So crypto bubbles are pretty cool. Soul Sniffer is pretty cool. So all you gotta do is you gotta do, I think it's sniff tokens. Yeah. So you do this, you put the token in there, it's gonna find it, ping, boom. So ping has 100 out of 100. That means there's no risk involved. So normally when it has a risk, these will be X'd out. So no scams, no mintable risk, no freeze risk. I've done that too, honeypot, where you're able to buy. So if you go to I forgot what coin. If you go to um a project, right, and you only see green, you don't see any red. It's probably because they um kind of turn off the selling feature, right? So this is one way that you can kind of see if your projects are doing good. So anyway, um, don't want to bore you guys to death with stuff you guys already know. Um, So let's see what else we got going on. So we have, let's see, what other coins? So we talked about XPR. We've talked about let's see, going to be First Crypto Bank. Talked about that. Um so yeah, so let's go back to these cycles. So long story short, guys, I feel like we are really, really coming in to a spot in the market where we are going to um, we need to get set up, right? We need to get set up for these massive gains. So if we get set up for the massive gains, um, one way that we could do that is we could just go to the what's it called? We could go to the Dex Tools. That's what I was looking for. So Dex Tools is a really is it Dex Tools or Dex Screener? I think it's Dex Tools. Dex Tools, where'd it go? Dex Tools.io, I think. No, not DET. Well, I've misspelled it. It would help if I spell it right, right? So Dex Tools, there we go. So Dex Tools is a pretty good way to look for these new projects. So we go here and we go to so these are some hot pairs. So let's we got so 24 hour volume. We got 101% up. So this is when I used to go look for coins, I would go here and I would go look for the coins and then I would look at total market cap, liquidity. Actually, ZYN does look pretty cool. So anyway, guys, um let's see. So, they had some pretty good ones. So Pepe is crazy. Pepe, I think, is the fastest gainer I think I've ever been in. I got into it, what was it, last May? And then, no, last April, I believe. And by May, I had like 18x my initial investment and pretty cool, pretty massive gainers. So, Pepe, I think, is going to do pretty well. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Where to go? Um, where to go? Coin market app.com. So, and then we'll kind of do some TA real quick, and then I think I'll end it there. So, guys, right now we have neutral. So, not many buyers, not too many sellers, kind of just neutral. And we are kind of looking at the market being somewhere in the middle. So, that's pretty cool. So let's see. Let's look at Pepe. Man, I remember being on those live streams at night. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Let me get some water because man, I don't think I'm used to all this talking, but I used to do it all the time and now oh, that's so cool. It added token unlocks. So token unlocks. So in the chat, what do you guys feel? So I mean, I know I kind of voiced my opinion about BNB versus Solana versus Ethereum. Do you guys feel like do you guys agree with Solana's gonna be the main, kind of like the main, continue to be the main like contender? Do you feel like more people are gonna go with the Solana network than the Ethereum or BNB network? I think everything will be good, but I just feel like the Solana network is gonna be a little bit you're gonna have these coins that are like Pepe, right? So $5.5 billion market cap. Holy mac. So let's go ahead and take a look at TradingView and what is going on here? Hold on, guys. Oh, I think I know what happened. Hold on. And all right, so let's see. So I think what I did, oops, hold on. There we go. I kind of had to, I zoomed in. Yes, base will blow. Oh, base. Yeah, so Base is a weird one because Base, correct me if I'm wrong, they don't actually have a token, right? It's just it's like Coinbase's version off of what, Ethereum? Is that what it is? Like a layer 2 or layer 3? I got into it a little bit, but I haven't gotten into it too much, the base network, but I think base will do very, very well as well, right? I know what Brett on base, that's one of them. I know that's how kind of like I found out about it. Brett on base, number 53. Holy Mac, 1.6. You know what's crazy? It was dog with hat, right? So dog with hat. Well, real quick before I go to that, base. It was crazy. The I bought this right, and I don't think I had any fees. Like I mean, unless I don't know, unless I just didn't understand that it was taking out the fees. It was so fast, no fees. It was absolutely just crazy how fast and cheap the base network was. So that is definitely something that I'm definitely going to keep an eye out on. And so that is pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and take a look at some stuff. So let's see. Yeah, off of the Ethereum network, but pennies for fees. Base is going to blow up, but only crappy thing is that it takes a week to bridge your tokens back from base to regular Ethereum. Wow. Maybe that's why they're trying to get that like situated or under control. That would make a lot more sense if they're just trying to get that kind of situated under control. Um, that would that would make sense, right? So let's see. Is there any particular coin you guys would like me to do some TA on? I think let's see. We could do XPR. I mean, don't mind doing that. Let's see. XPR. Let's do some TA. Proton. Let's go. XPR on. Let's see. XPR. I like Mexi. Mexi's my fave. So let's do that. So let's do some TA. Let's go. So here's one thing, guys. So if you look at it right here, you kind of see like the shoulder right here, the head. It was overbought, and then the other shoulder. So kind of like shoulder, head, shoulder. That was one sign that this was gonna kind of go down. Now this has kind of hit now, on the other hand, this kind of hit the bottom right here. And so when it hit the bottom, so bottom one, bottom two, so I think that's what's gonna play out. Bottom one, maybe bottom two. And then I think this is gonna just start going up. Up, 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 up. And I think maybe once it starts getting around, I think so let's see. So we're ending quarter two. So July, August, September is quarter three. Then October, November, December is quarter four. So I think quarter four, we're really going to have a strong, strong month. We're going to have presidential elections. I think the FOMC is going to come in and say, hey, we're going to lower the rate. I think that people once that happens people I think just the news is gonna make the market spike with that. What's the next FOMC meeting? I know I'm getting a lot of tabs up. Let me see if I can just use one of these. FOMC meeting. So I think it's in what, July? And I think July is gonna be a really, really good let's see. See, where is meeting calendar? All right, so June we had that one. So guys, the end of July. Let's see. So the end of July. So we still have, let's see, December, November, October. So I can see two things happening. I can either see them keeping it paused in July and Bitcoin starting to kind of slowly go up, or what I can see happening is I think September. Now, this is going to be the end of September. I think September, they're going to come out and say, listen, we're going to lower the rates. We're going to be at the end of September. We're going to have what, like a week and a half? And then I think, boom, we're going to finish September strong, go through October, November, December, kind of like this year October, November, December, January, February, March. Very, 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 very strong. And I think that's going to peak out our bull market. I think we're going to go down for a little bit, have one more retest before we go down. That's theory one. Theory two is we can kind of slowly go up. Maybe since we're only having one rate cut, um, this October we can start slowly going up, and then they're gonna have another rate cut, so we'll slowly start going up, and then the end of next year, 2025, we're gonna have a parabolic movement, just like into 2017 and just like in 2021. We're gonna have those parabolic movements, and we're going to go up. What do you guys feel, and how do you guys feel about that? Do you guys feel like we're going to move up more? Do you think we're going to be done this bull cycle by mid-year, or do you think we're going to be done by the beginning of the year, or do you think we're going to go towards the end of the year? The dollar is going to collapse this year or next. I think that is also, what is that? The DXY, I think it's called. So I think the DXY is definitely going to collapse here. Let me DXY, right? I think it's the DXY. So yeah, so I definitely think the DXY is gonna collapse, and that's another thing that's gonna bring Bitcoin. They have the BRICS nations right now, and these BRICS nations are um they're trying to take over the US dollar. And if this thing collapses, um guys, I mean, I think Bitcoin's going to be definitely something that people are really going to want to be in. It's crazy. In 2019 to 18, I bought a whole Bitcoin for 3 grand. I took my tax return, bought a whole Bitcoin, kept it for like a couple days, realized some other coins were pumping harder, kind of screwed myself because tried to play around, chase those green candles before I really didn't know anything, and I lost like 40, 50% of it, and I was like, okay, I'm done. So kind of got in 2017, kind of 2018, 2019 was kind of in and out, little by little. And then 2019, it was weird. I got into like Tesla, I think in 2020, got back in the crypto market 2020, 2021, wrote it up. Then, unfortunately, it took a round trip ticket, meaning wrote it up, wrote it right back down. And yeah, so definitely learned a lot. So I think my first big real win was Pepe, right? I won. I turned I 17x my investment. Was able to, I actually paid off my house, and the reason why I took out is because I wanted to reach a number, and I just happened to reach that number on the day I hit Binance, and I literally sold at the top, and it was one of the few times where I've been able to catch the top. So it's very hard to catch the top, very hard to catch the bottom. And I definitely do think that if you can, um, like right now, long story short, I think we are, last year in the summer was like the bottoms. I think most of the coins have 5 to 10x from there. So I think we still have another 5 to 10x from here for most coins that are on like Coinbase, Crypto.com. Um, Coins that are not on those, coins that are on like these harder exchanges to get to, like, um, what's it called, like Mexi and Lbank and Gate.io and all that stuff. And I think have maybe like 100x. And there's some plays that I've seen people make a lot of money that's not even on any exchanges. So it's pretty cool. That's awesome, bro. This Okta is my first real win in the crypto since I started beginning of the bear market. LOL. Yeah, so that was another thing. I kind of wish I would have got in. I just seen it and I didn't understand it at first, and then like more and more people talked about it, and it was kind of, I felt like I was too late, even though one thing I have learned is you are never, right now, I'll say right now, I can't say, I can't say end of next year, but right now, in my opinion, not financial advice, you're not too late. In my opinion, not financial advice. Whatever coin that you do your research, you verify the contract, you watch a bunch of YouTubers, see what their opinion is on it. Do your due diligence. Moral of the story. I don't think you could go wrong with 90% of these coins. Um, well, let me rephrase that. Like 70%, because there's a lot of rug pulls and a lot of just crazy stuff. But as long as you do your due diligence and Now, if the coin just launched, just be careful. But if the coin has been out for a couple months, you've seen like the dev team get into their socials too, like the Telegram, Discord. That helps me really, really know a project is doing well. Is when I get in the Discord, I get in the Telegram. That is something that helps me do very, very well. So yeah, XPR88. So the one thing I would have to say, you know what, let's see. Let's just see what we got. So let me see where this, let's see, HAWK, Hawk Tool. Is this not on any exchanges? What's the actual ticker symbol? Let's see. Is it HAWK? Oh, okay. HAWKTUAH. So let's see. Let's see what we got. TUAH. Fucked. Let's see. Um, why isn't this showing up? Is that what's the ticker symbol? What's the do you know the symbol? Is this it on Uniswap? I don't think that's it. Let me see. Let's see. Um, not wrapped. It's on, let's see. Is it this one? Let me go down to. Well, I was gonna try to do some TA, but I don't really know exactly what the ticker symbol's under. Maybe I gotta put two words. Hawk to, I just thought it would be. Let me see something. Let me see. Hawk to. Is this not on any exchanges? Oh, I guess not. It's only on Radium. Okay. I mean that's kind of a positive it's a positive sign in a way because I mean most time if they're not on exchanges that's pretty good. The only reason why I say that is because here we go. This is probably it. Okay. It's on Dex Tools. I believe this is probably it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna do TA based on this. So, so it looks like it started out, let's see, one, two, three zeros. Wow. So if you would have $1,000, guys, you would have been at this 10x. You would have been at like 10 grand. It's announced 8 exchanges. Wow. It's announcing 8 exchanges this weekend. That's crazy. Like the last time I seen that was Pepe. There's Dog with Hat. Dog with Hat, that was crazy. It was like, dude, Dog with Hat, I couldn't believe my eyes. I seen it at like cents, and I seen it go all the way up to like $3, and I just could not believe my eyes. So this is so if this is it, then this is positive because it's getting back over that 50 range for the RSI. That means it's turning. It was a little bearish, which as you can see in the chart, it's turning a little bullish. It kind of came back, tested it, coming back up. So let me see. So let's see what we got. Let me go ahead and give some levels. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Horizontal line. Let's go. All right, so guys, here's what I'm seeing. So here are some of these levels. Let's see. So right there. Let's go down. Let's go down to the 5 minute chart. Oh wow. That is actually pretty bullish. On the 5 minute chart, guys, that means it's overbought. That means if it can come back and test this and break this for the short term, this is pretty bullish. Um I've actually learned a lot about this as well. Let's see, the 15-minute chart. Wow. So yeah, so anyway, so let's see. So where are we? So this is so it looks like let's see. So right here. So right now the next level of resistance that this needs to break is it needs to get around the 7.2s. If it can get past 7.2s, which it looks like it might, like while I'm streaming, then that's actually pretty good. Pretty bullish. If not, Let's see. So right there. So I can see what it probably needs to do is, I mean, it could just blast right past this. I mean, kind of like this candle right here. If not, it might create a red, flip this into support, create a green, and then blast right past this. And if they could do that, the next level is going to be probably right there. Let's see. So, no, hold on, not that one. Let's see. So the next level is gonna be right there and maybe right there. All right. So, um, let me see. And then after that, then up here. Okay. That's what I wanted. All right, so here's some levels that we need to get past. So we need to get kind of, if we could pass, if we can get into the mid sevens, high sevens, we might be able to bounce around in here. That's what I kind of see happening, unless the market goes up. Like I said, I mean, this is pretty bullish. If it can get back over this line right here, this 70 line, that is pretty bullish, and I can see it. I can definitely see it blasting right past this and kind of making, I don't see it now. Hold on, let's see. It might have been on the hourly chart. Making this. So this is what you're really looking for. If you're in this green zone, as long as it's kind of going up, you are definitely bullish. As you can see right here, boom, 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 flipped, kind of came back, went red, came back into the green, boom, red, kind of came and then kind of cooled off. And once it gets below the halfway mark, it's a pretty good idea to take some profits, like kind of when it gets back into this blue range, take profits, and when it gets back under this halfway range, take profits. So um anyway, guys, wow, I went almost an hour. I was just hoping to kind of do, a couple minutes, see how it was. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to do this multiple times a week. I do have a buddy that we're kind of trying to get some stuff together. He's really good at charts. I mean, he's actually taught me quite a bit on the charting, and but I do have a full-time job as of right now, so 6:45 comes pretty early in the morning. So definitely want to not lose that because until the parabolic bull market, when I become a gajillionaire, I am going to have to unfortunately um, work. So, uh, so anyway, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it. Definitely want to say thanks for you guys. Thanks XPR88 for being active in the chat. Also Abe, if you're still in here, thanks for being active in the chat. And make sure you like this video. And let me know. Get some ideas ready. I wanna start looking at a couple coins. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll research a couple coins that you guys tell me about, and we can research that. Talk about the general markets, and kind of just take it from there. Maybe I'll get a coin that I'll really enjoy and kind of do maybe a segment, maybe like 10, 15 minutes just on that coin before I go off and do just general TA and stuff like that. Keep up the great work, bro. More and more people will watch you if you stay consistent. Yeah, that's my problem. I stream and then I don't really stay consistent, and then I stream and at one point I had like 20 or 30 people in here, and because I did it for like a month, and then like I said, they told me I had to stop, and it was like, oh, it was a bummer. But anyway, um, like this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Till next time, guys.